In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shipping rates on your Shopify store. This is an essential step for any online retailer, as getting your shipping options right can improve customer satisfaction and potentially increase your sales. So let's walk through this process together, making it as straightforward as possible. First, you'll need to access the shipping settings in your Shopify admin panel. Go ahead and log in to your Shopify account. Once you're in, look for the Settings tab. Within the settings, you'll find shipping and delivery. It's here that you can manage all aspects of your shipping. You'll see your shipping profiles listed here. If you haven't created one yet, you might want to do that first, as it's necessary for setting up your shipping rates. With your shipping profile set, let's move on to adding a shipping rate. Find the shipping zone where you want to implement a new rate. Next to this zone, there will be an option to add rate. Clicking on this will open up the different types of shipping rates you can choose from. Now, let's go over the rate types. The first option is a flat rate. This is a fixed shipping cost that will apply to all orders within the conditions you specify. You might also add a delivery description to this, such as tracked shipping, which can help clarify the option for your customers. Another option is the carrier calculated rate. This is where Shopify calculates shipping costs based on the carrier's rates and the destination of the package. When choosing this, you'll need to select the relevant shipping service and tell Shopify which methods you'd like to offer. Lastly, there's free shipping, which is essentially setting your rate at $0. This option is often used to encourage larger orders by offering free shipping on purchases over a certain amount. Once you've decided on the type of rate, you'll need to specify the rate details. For a flat rate, enter the shipping price, and you have the option to add conditions based on weight or price range to limit its application. If it's a carrier-calculated rate, select the shipping service you want and, optionally, add handling fees. For free shipping, you might want to set conditions like a minimum order value. After you've entered all the rate details, click Done. Make sure you also click the Save button at the top of the page to ensure your changes are applied to the shipping profile. As you go through this process, keep some important considerations in mind. Use clear and concise descriptions for your rates to help customers understand what they're choosing. You can also create combined shipping rates tailored to specific products using tags or SKUs. And don't forget that handling fees can be added to both flat and carrier-calculated rates to cover additional costs like packaging. Finally, always test your shipping rates. Simulating an order is a great way to ensure everything works as intended before your customers see it. By following these steps, you'll have shipping rates set up that meet both your business needs and enhance your customers' shopping experience.